Hey everyone, it's Erin here. So summer is finally here, which I am so excited for because it's my favorite season. To celebrate, I'm going to show you how to get beautiful tan and glowing skin that will make you look like you just came back from a tropical holiday. As you already know, truly beautiful skin starts from the inside, so make sure to exercise at least 30 minutes a day, drink lots of water, and eat your fruits and veggies. I have been using TanCeuticals products to get a safe and natural looking tan from the comfort of my home. Step 1 is to clean and prepare your skin. The key to getting the most natural glow possible is to hop in the shower and exfoliate your entire body and face with the TanCeuticals Pre-Tan Exfoliating Scrub. Exfoliating gets rid of dry and dull skin cells, leaving it smooth and ready to take in moisture. After I exfoliate all over, I shave all unwanted hair so my skin is even more silky smooth. Then I get out of the shower and completely dry my body. It's easiest to go through the next steps with your hair up in a bun so that it doesn't get in the way. The next step is to apply some moisturizer onto my ankles, knees, and elbows because these areas tend to be more dry and get darker when self-tanner has been applied. Okay, now moving on to the tanning part. I apply a thin layer of the TanCeuticals Dark Lotion Self Tanner with a glove and apply it all over my body, making sure to cover every part, even the hard to reach parts. You really want to take your time with this step because it's the most important in ensuring you get an all over and even tan. Next, I use a TanCeuticals Dark Self Tanner designed specifically for my face. Facial skin tends to be a little bit more delicate and sensitive than the rest of your body. So I apply this all over and make sure not to forget my ears. I have been using the TanCeuticals Tan Extender as a daily full body moisturizer to keep my tan going for as long as possible. It's also a great way to keep your skin from drying out. And finally, I wash my hands to remove any excess product and let my skin fully dry before putting on any clothes. The result is a beautiful and natural looking tan, and I have been really loving the results. Okay, now moving on to the makeup. First, I conceal any blemishes on my face with a concealer close to my skin tone, and then I blend in with a beauty blender sponge. Then I contour my face using a concealer stick that is a few shades darker than my natural color. I apply a line right below my cheekbones to bring some definition to my face and then blend in carefully with a sponge. My favorite part is to apply a cream highlighter onto my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and the top of my lips. It's a foolproof way to look absolutely radiant and like you're glowing from the inside. When applying bronzer, I use it pretty liberally, starting from my cheeks and all the spots that would naturally be hit by the sun, like my temples and forehead close to my hairline. I follow it up with some pink blush on the apples of my cheeks, and it's easiest to apply when smiling. Since I want to look bronzed and like I just came back from a sunny vacation, I apply some brown matte eyeshadow to really warm up my face and define my eyes. Then I follow it up with some black mascara, which I also like to apply on my lower lashes to open my eyes up more and look a little bit more awake. I love a nude lip color because it looks natural but makes your lips look plump and hydrated. For a little extra, it's sometimes fun to add a few faux freckles to your face where sunlight would naturally hit, so mainly your nose and cheeks. You can do this with brown liquid eyeliner or an eyeliner pencil and blend it in with your finger for the most natural look. And there you have it, a beautiful tanned beach goddess glow that will make you feel like it's summer year-round. Thanks for watching!